Welcome once again, and let's talk about Terra Classic. Terra Classic project Cremation coin bond 16,455,507 LUNC tokens on Tuesday. It's amazing. Now it has bond over 28.6 million Terra Classic coins in the past. In fact, in less than 1 month, it's not even up to 1 month. Okay, this actually bond about 28.6 million Terra Classic coin. We can see Terra Classic have been gaining more bonding recently, but to me, I think that by now Terra Classic, I'm expecting Terra Classic to have bond about at least nearly 100 million coins on a daily basis, or even 1 billion coins on a daily basis, because Terra Classic gotten almost all the exchanges have actually listed this coin, apart from you mentioned like Coin Market Cap. One of the major exchanges that have not listed Terra Classic is Coin Market Cap. They actually removed this coin from their platform after they crashed. But Terra Classic 1.2% tax bond, buying, selling, 1.2% being charged, being bond, and yet the 1.2% have not even bond up to 50 billion coins since they launched at 1.2%. I think is really kind of is slow. So I believe that let's hope this year there will be more buying and selling of Terra Classic, especially big whales coming in to buy this coin in millions of dollars. That is when you can see the bonding will really increase, and I hope that more the Terra Classic holders will be coming in, more wallets will be created this year, and I hope to see this coin at the top, and I hope that crypto industry in general will also experience a bullish year, so I will be seeing more buyers coming in for crypto industry. Now I think it's amazing to see Cremation bond over 16.4 million coins of Terra Classic on Tuesday alone, and almost 28.6 million in less than 1 month. It's amazing. I hope to see more bonding coming in. Hope to see more crypto industry bonding. I hope to see more exchanges joining and start bonding. I want to see Kucoin start bonding. Then we'll be seeing the bonding of Terra Classic will definitely increase in price. Please remember, this is not a financial advice, so please kindly do your own research before taking any decision.